Hi, I'm Candace Brown with the MSU Extension Service. Today we're going to be using air plants to make beautiful and low maintenance decorations for your home. To create an air plant terrarium, start by gathering your materials. You will need a vented glass terrarium, decorative rocks, sand or pebbles, string, decorative moss, bark or small pieces of driftwood, a spray bottle, and your choice of Tillandsia. Start with a vented glass container that is large enough for your plant. Then add a decorative base at the bottom. Your base can be any fine material, anything from sand to pebbles to crushed recycled glass. You can then add in decorative moss, bark, or small pieces of driftwood to give your terrarium a natural look. You then want to add your Tillandsia to your piece. All you have to do is place it in your terrarium. Depending on your container piece, you can either hang your arrangement or sit it around your home. Just remember to mist or soak your air plants once a week. To learn more about our workshops, visit our Facebook page at Mississippi State Trial Gardens.